Today, we're talking about a new kind of factory worker that never gets tired, never calls in sick, and doesn't complain about the coffee. Meet the Sherpa Mecha, the latest dual-arm mobile manipulator from Ati Motors. This isn't your typical humanoid robot trying to walk like a person and fall over like one too. The Sherpa Mecha is built for real industrial work. Two powerful arms on a stable wheel base that can move, lift and manipulate tools across a manufacturing floor. Ati Motors, based in Rochester Hills, Minnesota, says Mecha can tend machines, move heavy bins and even assist with inspections. Think of it as a tireless factory teammate designed to handle the repetitive, muscle-draining stuff, so your human team can focus on high-value tasks. And because the robot plugs straight into existing automation lines, you don't have to tear up your entire production setup. It's compatible, scalable, and designed for easy integration, whether you're in automotive, aerospace, or electronics. Now, how does this actually help you? Here's the breakdown. Increased productivity, it keeps going 24/7 without fatigue. Precision performance, consistent quality for repetitive processes, faster ROI, lower labor costs and fewer production bottlenecks. Future-ready design, add tools, change workflows and evolve with your business. Ati Motors has built this on years of experience in autonomous mobile robots, AMRs. Their lineup already includes tuggers, pallet movers and lifters that handle loads from £175 to £10,000. This Sherpa Mecha simply adds arms and intelligence to its proven mobility. And that's your robot news update for today. If you're curious how robotics can transform your business, head over to RoboPhilosophy website to join the waiting list or to speak to the team about robotics. Don't forget to stay in the loop with the latest updates. I'm RoboPhil from RoboPhilosophy. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.